Welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the 5 single oils that's in the Premium Starter Kit. Hi, my name is Helena and I'm the founder of Itsohelena. The 5 single oils that's in the Premium Starter Kits are copaiba, lemon, lavender, frankincense, and peppermint. Copaiba promotes healing and also magnify the oils that you have used earlier on. For example, you can always add this into your skincare to magnify the efficacy of whatever oils that you have used earlier on. Like for instance, you have added frankincense into your moisturizer and you would like to magnify the oils and the skincare, you can always add on another copaiba into the moisturizer. Lemon is one of my favorites because it is so uplifting and it is so refreshing. I would use it in my skincare during the night to lighten the spots on my face. You can always diffuse it together with another single oils like peppermint, which will give you the uplifting feeling and refresh. Please take note, all citrusy oils are very photosensitive. Do not use it when you're going to be exposed to the sun less than 12 hours. Lavender oil is multi-purpose. Great for cuts, great for bruises, great for burns. So make sure you have a bottle in your pocket for any emergency. Frankincense is my favorite oil. I use it every night in my skincare routine to lighten the spots and also to reduce fine lines. And apart from that, it is my oils to go during meditation. If you live in a country like Malaysia, peppermint is super awesome for the cooling effect. I use it to refresh me when I'm sleepy or when I need to stay focused when I'm doing a project or when I'm doing something that needs my attention. These are the 5 single oils you can find in the Premium Starter Kit. Stay tuned for the next episode of this sharing, and I will be introducing the next 5 blended oils in the Premium Starter Kit. For more inspiration on the wellness with essential oils, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye for now.